Hello, I'm Gare, and today I'm going to talk about the voltage regulator, how a voltage regulator works, and the simple test circuit that I made. First, we have the power coming in, which goes through a diode. It goes into the LM7805. This is a 5-volt regulator, and across the input supply we have a 47 UF capacitor, and across the output we have a 220 UF capacitor. We also have a 104 disc capacitor on the output, and across the output we just have a simple LED acting as a load with a 220 ohm resistor. The same on the input side, we also have an LED connected. And I'm gonna get out the multimeter. If I can do this. We got 12 volts. You're probably not gonna be able to see it. It's 12 volts. And then on the output we have 5 volts on the output. So the regulator is working. What this voltage regulator does is it takes the input voltage, in our case a 12 volt wall adapter, and chops it down to 5 volts. And the capacitors help smooth the voltage out. And the diode blocks the reverse flow of current. Let's say if I were to reverse these wires. Nothing will happen. You can use this as part of a DIY power supply. These are often used inside of devices to drop the input voltage to 5 volts. You can also get you can get these in different voltages. Like I know there's a 9 volt version, 12 volt version, and I think I've even seen a 24 volt version of this regulator. Oh, another thing I want to talk about is that these get hot. So you might want to attach it to a heat sink if you're putting this into a product. You'll want to add a heat sink to these. And that's all that you would ever need to know about voltage regulators. I want to make it clear that I was talking about linear voltage regulators. There are also switch mode regulators, and they work on an entirely different principle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Support me by buying from my stores. They are linked in my link tree. Goodbye.